Promoting mental health literacy, nurses' responsibilities haiba themda Society of Psychiatric Nurses Manipur gi ahum suba chahi gi oiba conference SPNM-CON 2025 Society of Psychiatric Nurses Manipur amadi College of Nursing RIMS na sinduna ngasi RIMS ki Jubilee Hall da pangthokre. Thoramaduda TNAI New Delhi gi National President Dr. N. Kumar na haikibada Manipur gi oiriba fibam asina miyam gi mental health asi Mipainingai Oiba Thak Amada Leire asida conference asi state asida pangthokliba asi yamnamak chunaba ama oire mental health asi public health ki achauba issue ama oire matam amada masigi issue asi lumna launaramde adubu ngasidi mental health literacy asi yamnamak maru oire nursing education da mental health asi tonganba subject ama oina tamlamde adubu haujikti hiram asigi matangda advance oiba wakal lausing leinanaba advance training sing pangthokle psychiatric nursing na lawgadaba thodang asi yamna chawi khunai asida mental health literacy piduna hiramasigi matangda miyambu wakhal tahannaba psychiatric nursing na lamjing maira oigadabani mental health nari haibagi khudam amadi layong sing nganna khangdoknanaba miyambu educate tawgadabani masigid mathakta mental health issue thoktanaba khudakta mityeng changhobagi leiriba tangai fadaba sing khangminnabaga loinana therapeutic communication piba mathau tai haiki ngasigi thoramadu Society of Psychiatric Nurses Manipur ki President KH Ratnana preside tawkiba thoram aduda Department of Psychiatry Nurse RIMS ki Professor Dr. R.K. Lenin Imphal ki Chief Medical Officer Dr. L. Indira Devi amadi College of Nursing RIMS ki Principal Professor A. Devazani Devi na guest of honor oina sarukya ki Thoramadugi saruk ama oina conference asigi souvenir amasu fonki.
Society of Psychiatric Nurses of Manipur is also playing a pivotal role in educating and empowering the nurses and the community about the mental health issues and the importance of mental health literacy in the public and in the community. This conference is also a significant milestone, an opportunity where you can exchange ideas, share your thoughts, share your researches and build capacity and inspire innovations in this area. Our mission should be that we have to ensure that no individual suffers in silence and every voice should be heard. And if we achieve that, we are achieving a lot in the mental status of the people.